Hey guys, what's up? This is Azim with Investify, and today it is Monday, August 27, 2018, and we're just going to do a quick update for the market, a market analysis. As of right now, as we can see here, the S&P 500 index is at its all-time high with 287.67, so it closed at 287.51. So we anticipate the market to continue going higher. Nothing new there. That's exactly what's happening. Let's take a look at the monthly chart. As we can see, it's been a strong trend for several months now, and we anticipate this to continue going into September. Now, let's take a look at the NASDAQ Composite, and the same thing with NASDAQ as well. It's inching, higher. And we anticipate that it'll continue to do all of this. Okay, guys, so this is kind of done. Now, let's take a look at our stock pick for the day. And what we're going to focus on is this one, which is Zscaler. It's a new company. It's had an IPO done. And the reason why I'm looking into investing in this stock is that it broke its initial high of $43.98 and it's sitting at $44.43. So we can purchase it at this price from a technical point of view, and we can put a stop loss at around 28.3. Again, it's a investment approach to investing in this stock. And why am I kind of pushing this stock? The earnings already happened for this one. That's a plus point. So let's take a look at the fundamentals. So it's based out of San Jose, California. It operates as a massive global cloud security architecture, delivering the entire gateway security stack. So it's a security company, and as we know, cloud security is only going to get bigger as that industry grows. We look at its market capitalization at 5.3 billion, which I don't think is a lot. This is where it gets interesting. There's shares in float and shares in outstanding. Shares in outstanding means all the shares that are available in the market, which is 119.6 million, and shares in float means all the shares that could be bought, which is 44.25. So when you see such low supply of shares, what that means is that usually stocks like these skyrocket very quickly. So we're seeing a good industry, we're seeing small market cap, we're seeing low float. Those are really good things to look at. But let's kind of go down a little bit, and if we look at the debt, right, we see the debt is zero. That is really important to me in terms of looking at a company. If it's got high debt, these things can still be a little murky. So that's why I'm looking at it from that perspective. But let's do some more about the industry and sector. As we can see, the industry ranking is pretty high. The market value of the industry is 141 billion. So it's only growing right now. Eventually, it's going to be a few $100 billion, if not a trillion, multi-trillion dollar industry. It's in software. It's going to cloud security is only going to get bigger. And let's take a look at something even more, which is the ownership. All right. Whoops. And we see that funds own 28% of the company, 1% is owned by banks. Management owns 29%. So essentially 58% of the stocks are owned by institutions. So that's majority of them holding it. So they're seeing things that are projecting more value for this company. And here's where it gets interesting, right? You can see that Zscaler acquires AI team and technology of TrustPath. So the fact that they're going into AI, they're looking into security for cloud security, means that they're already on the verge of looking for value and building great things. So in my opinion, this is the stock of the day to look into and purchase. It's at a great investment value. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this. All right, guys, this is the update that I wanted to provide you all. Let me know if you have any questions. Once again, this is Azim with Investify. Have a great day. Goodbye.